Immigrant communities are being terrorized in the US, and the Supreme Court just greenlit racial profiling. Quick, smarter in seconds. Racial profiling is the discriminatory targeting by law enforcement of individuals based on their perceived race, ethnicity, national origin, or religion for suspicion of crime. Shouldn't have to be said in 2025, but racial profiling is racist. You might remember racial profiling from New York's stop and frisk laws or the ongoing ICE raids happening in immigrant communities across the United States. The Fourth Amendment to the US Constitution protects us against unreasonable searches and seizures. But this Supreme Court decision takes that right and throws it right out the window for our immigrant neighbors and anyone who looks like an immigrant, according to law enforcement. Flat out, the conservative Supreme Court justices who make up a majority stated that racial profiling is not just legal here, but that, and I quote, "the balance of harms and equities favors the government here." It's giving wrong side of history. This cannot stand, and while the government doesn't seem particularly interested in supporting or caring for our immigrant neighbors, that doesn't mean we can't protect each other. If you haven't already, find your local immigrant support organization, and if you don't know where to look, don't worry. Head to your favorite search engine and type in the name of your city and immigrant support. Hopefully you'll find a few. This is really important in case you want to volunteer, donate, or have a local hotline to call in case you see raids happening in your neighborhood. And look into crowdfunding projects or mutual aid funds that support local immigrant communities. Support local immigrant-owned businesses and check out my full Smarter in Seconds on how to be a good neighbor. And keep up with the organizations that are fighting to protect our civil rights, like the Legal Defense Fund, National Immigration Law Center, ACLU, and Brennan Center for Justice. As my friends at Barrio Drive say, we have to spread power, not panic.